Hello dear friends, welcome to the Economics Learners Lab. Myself, I am Venkatesh Kongala. I am the founder and managing director of Economics Learners Lab. We have newly introduced a program called 90 Important Topics for NTNet Economics, June 2020. Actually, what are we doing in this program? Here comes the answer. 1. Every day we are releasing one video on particular topic in Economics Learners Lab YouTube channel. The video will be more emphasized on NTNet syllabus. 2. After detailed explanation or demonstration of the topic, we will provide a few multiple choice questions. 3. If the video length exceeds more than 15 minutes, we will divide the video into parts. If you are really a serious aspirant of NTNet Economics, I can bet you that this program will help you a lot. Let's begin today's topic. Topic number 85, types of cost. Types of cost also very important topic for the NTNet Economics exam. From this topic you can expect one question. Let us see what we are going to learn in this video. We are going to learn in this video what is a cost, understand 13 different types of cost. After that we will solve some multiple choice question. Let us see what is a cost. Cost means the process of production of a goods or services involves factors of production. The producer gives money to the factors. These expenses are called cost of production. It means in production process we use factors of production. After using the factors of production, we will pay certain amount to the factors of production. These expenses are called cost of production. Let us go to the next slide. Types of cost. Private cost, social cost, explicit cost, implicit cost, opportunity cost, total cost, average cost, marginal cost, sunk cost, total fixed cost, total variable cost, average fixed cost, average variable cost. Let us see each one separately. Now let us see what is a private cost. Private cost means the private costs are paid by producers for purchase of inputs. It includes internal cost of production or services. Example, rent or salary. It means purchase of input cost called as a private cost. For example, the AZY company is producing race bikes. The company employed 100 people. Every month the company is paying salary for 100 people. These salary expenses are called private cost. Let us go to the next type of cost. The social costs are paid by producer for society welfare. It can be directly or indirectly. Social costs are very important for society welfare point of view. Welfare economics gives lot more importance to the social cost. For example, pollution permit fee. The AZY company is producing race bikes. For polluting the air, the company is paying to the government pollution permit fee for every year 25 lakhs. This is also one type of example of social cost. Let us go to the next type of cost. Explicit cost. It is also called as money cost or accounting cost. It means explicit cost called as a money cost or a accounting cost. Explicit cost refers to the cost incurred by the firms on purchase of factors of production. It refers to the expenditure on raw materials, wages, rent and so on. It means purchase of raw materials, wages, rent is called as an explicit cost. Example, the AZY company is producing race bikes. The company using 150 laborers every day. Every day evening the company is paying labor charges. These labor charges are called explicit cost. Let us go to the next type of cost. Implicit cost. It is also called as a economic cost. Economic cost relate to the producer's own factor cost. These factors involvement will not be rewarded. It means producers' own factors will not be rewarded in production activities. Such type of cost is called as a implicit cost. Example, the AZY company owner worked in the Sunday. The AZY company owner will not get any type of payment for Sunday work. It means when he works, he is not getting any type of cost, any type of payment. That type of cost is called as a implicit cost. Let us go to the next slide. 5. Opportunity cost. It is also called as a alternative cost. Opportunity cost or best second choice that you have forgone for the best choice selection. It means in best choice selection, you have to lose second best choice. So whatever you are losing best second choice is called as a opportunity cost. Example, the given money, AZY company can make 50 race bikes or 100 normal bikes. but company chosen 50 race bikes according to the demand in a society. So here 100 normal bikes are opportunity cost. Let us go to the next slide. 6. Total cost. Total cost is a cost for converting raw materials into the final goods or services. Example, the AZY company total cost for producing 50 race bikes is 1 crore. So here the total cost of the 50 race bikes is 1 crore. Next type of cost, that is average cost. Average cost indicates a single quantity cost. The formula for average cost is AC equal to TC divided by Q, that is average cost equal to total cost divided by total output. Let us go to the next slide. Marginal cost. The marginal cost shows an extra good or services cost of the production. So the marginal cost shows a one extra good or services cost of the production. So the formula for marginal cost is here is this one. Sunk cost is a cost that has been already incurred and cannot be recovered. For example, you have started your own business, you have bought everything like a machinery, land, everything. But after a certain time period, you thought that the business is not giving any type of profit, so you want to stop that company. So after stopping that company, whatever the machinery you are having, you cannot get it recovery back in any other way. Here that is showing stopping the business, but the machinery cost cannot be recovered any another way. Let us go to the next slide. Total variable cost and total fixed cost. Total variable cost is a cost on variable factors like labor. It means expenses on the variable factors like labor. Total fixed cost is a cost on a fixed factors like a machinery. It means fixed cost means cost on fixed factors like a machinery. Let us go to the next slide. 12. Average variable cost and 13. Average fixed cost. Average variable cost means average variable cost is a total variable cost divided by total output. It means when you divided a total variable cost divided by total output, you will get an average variable cost. Average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is a total fixed cost divided by total output. It means when you divided total fixed cost divided by total output, you will get an average fixed cost. Hope you have understood these 13 different types of cost. Let us solve some multiple choice questions. Question number 1. 30 seconds for this question. Try to solve yourself. After that I will do the explanation. Your time starts now. Time up, stop doing it. Let us see. So the right answer for this question is choice number 1. So here they are asking the private cost includes which of the following costs. Implicit costs also included in the private cost. Let us go to the second question. Question number 2. 30 seconds for this question. Try to solve yourself. After that I will do the explanation. Your time starts now. Time up, stop doing it. Let us see the answer. So the right answer for this question is choice number 2, that is explicit cost. Here they are asking money cost also called as explicit cost. Let us go to the next question. Question number 3. 30 seconds for this question. Try to solve yourself. After that I will do the explanation. Your time starts now. Time up, stop doing it. Let us see. From the society point of view, gas cost is very important as factories need to be compensated. Choice number 1, social cost. Choice number 2, explicit cost. Choice number 3, variable cost. Choice number 4, sunk cost. So the right answer for this question is choice number 1. Social cost is very important for the society welfare. Let us go to the next question. Question number 4. 30 seconds for this question. Try to solve yourself. After that, I will do the explanation. Time up, stop doing it. Let us see. Total cost includes which of the following costs? Choice number 1, total fixed cost plus total variable cost. Choice number 2, average fixed cost plus average variable cost. Choice number 3, total fixed cost plus average variable cost. Choice number 4, average fixed cost plus total variable cost. So the right answer for this question is choice number 1. So the total cost includes total fixed cost as well as total variable cost. Let us go to the next question. Last question in this video. 30 seconds for this question. Try to solve yourself. After that, I will do the explanation. Your time starts now. Time up, stop doing it. So the right answer for this question is sunk cost. Sunk costs are the costs that have been incurred but cannot be retrieved if the firm goes out of the business. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you want to comment anything, you can comment below this video. Thank you. See you in another video.